Well, judging has changed a lot. I think it's far more complicated. I think the cases are complicated. The interrelation of the law in the cases and statutes, its development, the way that it's affected by federal law all makes it enormously complex. And so I think the cases today are harder. I think the issues are subtler, but they're more interrelated to other laws, and so it just makes them very difficult to decide. It makes it very difficult to know all of the law. And nowadays we research it almost entirely with computers and not with books. But it's I think judging has gotten a lot harder, it seems to me, in the past several decades. Most cases are hard. There are almost always two sides. And it's important for the public to know that judges don't just guess one way or the other, or pick a side they like, or something that they is consistent with their own personal opinions. The cases are very important to the people who are involved in them. And so it is very important to get the rule of law right in those cases. And I fear that the people will think that courts make decisions the way politicians make decisions, the way legislators make decisions, which is based on policy, based on things that they think will be good, whereas judges are trying to make decisions based on the law. And I hope that the public understands that, because otherwise the public will think, oh, this is a Republican judge, a Democrat judge, a conservative judge, a liberal judge, a pro-family judge, this kind of judge, and therefore the decision will be like he or she thinks anyway. And it is very important that the public understand and have confidence that judges will be deciding cases based on the law. I guess the question that you always face when you've given a lot of time to something is, was it worth it in the long run, based on what you could have done? Judges, as everyone knows, are not usually paid as much as their lawyer counterparts. So there are trade-offs in being a judge. But the question for me that I would ask myself is, has it been worth it? And the answer is yes.